Tung mu. Face the palm toward the floor. Then flex the hand upward at the wrist. The palm faces away from the body. The hand should be as perpendicular to the wrist as possible. The thumb points diagonally upward and perpendicularly to the palm. The other four fingers stay close together, bending and stretching as far backward as possible. Nai mu. Nai mu is the opposite of tung mu. Rotate the tung mu wrist away from the body until the fingertips are in the opposite direction of the tung mu position. The final position is called nai mu. Muan mu. Muan mu is to change the hand from jip nai to the tung mu position. Muan mu is performed by rotating jip nai toward the body to the downward position. While the jip is turning down, slowly undo jip to form tung mu. Wong. Wong consists of the tung mu position of the hand and the curvature of the arm. Open the arm almost the whole way toward the side. The palm faces the floor. Lift the forearm slightly upward and slightly to the front to form a curve with the upper arm. The hand forms the tung mu position. The final pose of the whole procedure is called wong. The wong of a male character is slightly more open to the side than that of a female character. There are 4 types of wong. Each type is formed by the same technique, but using different positions. Wong bon. Wong bon is the upper wong. Begin by forming a wong. The position for the wong bon of a male character is slightly higher than that of a female character, with the fingertips at the same level as the temple. For a female character, the fingertips are at the same level as the lower end of the eyebrows. Wong klang. Wong klang is the middle wong. Start out by forming a wong. For wong klang, the fingertips are at the same level as the shoulder, and the elbow at about the same level of the midriff. Wong lang. Wong lang literally means the lower wong, but the position is to the front of the waist. The hand forms tung mu to the front of the waist. Thus, the arm forms a curve downward and to the side of the body. Jib. Close the tip of the thumb to the joint between the tip and the middle segment of the index finger. The other 3 fingers are open, bending and stretching as far backward as possible. The palm flexes as far inward towards the wrist as possible. Jibnai. Jibnai, upward jib. The hand forms a jib, but jibnai is formed with the elbow facing the floor and the three spreading fingers, especially the middle finger, in an upward position. Jipguam. Jipguam, downward jip. Jipguam can be formed by turning jipnai upside down. Jiplang. Jiplang is the jipnai which is positioned to the back of the body. Lift the arm backward with the palm facing upward. Then form jipnai. Jiprokna. Jiprokna is jipnai with elbows at shoulder level, arms directly in front, and thumbs and forefingers pointing toward the forehead. Jiprokkang. Jiprokkang is jiprokna with arms spread at a 45-degree angle to the body. Jiplorkao. Jiplorkao is jip, except position the thumb so that its tip is over the fingernail of the middle finger. The remaining fingers should be bent back, as in the normal jip. Jipyao. Jipguam or jipnai, with the arm fully extended, except be sure to keep wrist bent. Jipsan. Jipguam or jipnai, with elbow bent and forearm pulled in towards body.